Guys, it's JD here and this is my progress in Clash of Clans as of April 24, 2025, 2026 Friday. And so this is my progress right now. I'm upgrading block speed level 4 to level 5 and Clan Castle level 7 to level 8 and upgrading air defense level 9 to level 10. And I'm upgrading 2 heroes here, the Archer Queen from level 51 to level 52 and the Minion Prince from level 31 to level 32. And I'm upgrading here the Golem, Ice Golem from level 4. And I'm upgrading the Ice Golem from level 3 to level 4. And this is how my base looks like for now. Yeah, that's it. And this is the builder base. I'm upgrading here the push trap, 2 push traps from level 5 to level 6. And here the cannon cart upgrading to level 13. And this is how my base looks like. And so that's it guys. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.